Hi children, very good morning. Happy Wednesday to you all. Children, today let's learn TR sound words. Yesterday we have learned GR sound words. GR means gr, TR means tr. So this is in page number 28. You have to open phonics skill book and this. So let's open page number 28, okay? So what is this? Trap, tr, app, trap. So T-R-A-P, trap. T-R-A-P, trap. Apple, trap. So they kept a cheese to trap a mouse, children. You can see this type of thing in a Tom and Jerry show, isn't it? Yes. Next, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Tree, tree. Tree, tree. E-E means E in Kannada. Okay. Tractor. T-R-A-C-T-O or tractor. Okay, T-R-A-C-T-O or tractor. So this is a foreign tractor. In India we have a different kind of tractor. Okay, so tractor, tractor. Tractor. Okay, T-R-A-C-T-O or tractor. What is this? Trash. Trash means the dust inside the dustbin. Okay. T-R-A-S-H, trash. T-R-A-S-H, trash. Trash, trash. Trash, trash. Okay. Truck, truck. Truck, truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Truck, truck. Okay. Trailer. 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 T-R-A-I-L-E-R. Trailer. 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 You can see here, after A we have I. Okay children, so that we should cancel I. So this A will get a same sound, means long sound, so that we should say trailer. A becomes A only, means same sound. Trailer. We should not say I sound, because after A we have a second vowel. We should not say I sound here, and we should not say E sound also. Okay. Track. T-R-A-C-K. Track. 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 Okay. So you can see track in a railway station, children. The train moves on a track. Okay. Oh, see here you can see a train. Wow. Children, so let's sound this. T-R-A-I-N, train. See, here also after A we have I. So second vowel cancels. A will get a long sound, means same sound. Train. 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 T-R-A-I-N, train. Okay children, so practice these words nicely and send an oral video. So keep in mind, I am going to put attendance every day. Don't forget to send your homework submissions, children. Practice nicely and submit in a KG2 group. Thank you.